Here is my 8.5-inch Holmes high-velocity fan. The blades are produced by Wuzu. So basically, this fan was made by Wuzu. I think a lot of fan manufacturers like Wuzu so much that they want their fans made by Wuzu. So let's go ahead and run it quickly, and here we go. Starts off at high speed, or as I like to call it, full power, and then it goes down to medium and low. I'm not going to run through all 3 speeds. For the sake of the video, full power or high speed. Should be able to hear the wind stream. All right, spin down. Yep, spin down time is decent. Thanks for watching. The Fan Man out.